Alright, welcome back, y'all. I just wanted to make this quick video about how to do the project again because I feel like some people were a little bit lost the last time I did it. So real quick, when you're in the program, we're just going to kind of log in. First thing that we're going to do is go to create new. In create new, we're going to use our very specific dimensions that we talked about, 1280 by 720 for our kind of like workspace. We're going to come over here, type in 1280. And then for this one, you're going to put in 720. You want to scroll this down, turn on the background, and then label this winter. So this is going to be kind of like the beginning one for yourself. So your image should kind of look like this. So now when you're done with this, you're going to go to File. We're going to make the template, and we're going to go to New Image. For this, the height is going to be 214 by 720. So over here, we're going to put in 214, and the height is going to be 720. And then we're going to do the same thing where we slide this down, turn on the background to it's white, and we're going to call this template. Once you have that, you're going to create, and this is going to look long like and skinny like the letter I, and this is going to look wide like a poster. So those are the two main things that we need, and then once we have that, we can start to actually build the design a little bit more. So next thing we're going to do is import the reference image. So I'm going to go to where it says open image, and then I'm going to bring in a couple of the images that I have for my design. I'm going to start off with this one first. Hopefully this is the right size, but you're going to go to template. You're going to use your magic wand to select this template. Once you have it selected, you're going to press Control C. Now, if this comes up where it says nothing is selected, what you want to do is go over to your paint bucket and just fill it a color. When you fill it a color, then you should be able to Control C and copy this. And once we have it copied, we're going to go over to our main page right here, and we're going to paste it in. And I think that it's just about the right size. It's maybe like a little bit bigger than what we need. So for this design, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna make it like a tiny bit smaller so that it fits into the space. So we'll leave it about right there. What I'm gonna do next after this is I'm gonna create a clipping mask. So here's how you do that. I'm gonna go over to the settings, and you wanna make sure that you're on the template. You're going to go over to blend mode, and in blend mode you're going to go all the way down to where it says mask. This way is a little bit different, but once you click it, it'll create almost like a window of the actual image. And if you want to, you can click on the arrow tool and move this around to different parts so that you can choose the section that you want in your design. So I'm going to have like the middle right here, and actually I'm going to get the trees right here. So maybe this is the section that I want for my design. Once I have this, what we're going to do is we're going to merge this down. You're going to go to these three dots, and we're going to hit this one down arrow right here. And what we're doing is taking both the pictures and kind of smushing them into one. So now that we have this, we want to just grab our selection tool, select around the box. We want to Control C to copy, and then go to our winter template, paste it in. One thing that you'll notice is that it's a little small, so you may have to just kind of like adjust it to the right size, but we're just going to kind of pull it down like that and try to fit them in there. All right, and there you have it. So just as a recap, I'm going to run this back one more time real fast just so that we have it down. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to open my next image. For this one, I'm going to use this. I'm going to do the full HD so it's at a good size. All right, so I have my image in there. I'm going to go to my template, and it's already like copied and ready to go. I'm just going to press Control C, and I'm going to come over to my image here and press Control V to paste it in. Now, once this is in, I'm going to go to my three dots, and I'm going to go to a blend mode where it says mask. And then once I have that, I can kind of move things around to where I want this to be. So I feel like maybe this is what I want right here. This looks good. So once I have this section, I'm going to right click. I'm going to merge down so it's all one piece. I'm going to grab my magic wand, and we're just going to select it. Copy that, and then we're going to go over. and then just slide it right into place. So little by little, we're just going to be stacking these images just so that they can kind of fit into the space. If your like template feels like it's a little bit off, we may just need to make some light adjustments, but that's all we're going to do is just grab a piece and then stack it right back in. And just to triple down, I'll show you one more time real fast. Open image. There's my image right there. I'm going to copy my template, paste my template. And once I have my template pasted, I'm going to go to my blend mode, which is mask. That mask is going to give me the section that I want. Maybe I'll use this one this time. And then once I have that, I'm going to merge down, make my selection, copy it, and paste it. So that's kind of the name of it. That's what we're doing. All right, so now you're gonna give it a shot.